Good morning viewers. My name is Aminullah. I am from Afghanistan. I was willing to have a training in supply chain management and warehouse management, and I searched it through many websites, and I found myTectra solution the best place for my training, and I joined myTectra for my training. I found a very pleasant environment for education and a well qualified and experienced teachers for instruction and guidance. So I am recommending this to all abroad students to join myTectra solution for their future learning opportunities. Thank you myTectra